Unboxing a fidget spinner cube. First look is so nice. Lol. So slow.
Let us compare from a normal fidget spinner. As you can see, it is very fast, but the fidget cube is very slow. Let us do some turns on it. As you can see, this is very smooth in rotating. So let us scramble it and try to solve in just a few minutes.
So let us solve the cube. Start the timer. $50 very slow.
Yeah, I know this is very slow, but I will definitely work on it. So friends, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel.